Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and welcome to the last upgrade in our funnel for web agency Fortune. And this is a whiteboard video package where you get 60, let me repeat this, 60 whiteboard videos that you can sell to your clients and prospects, and you can charge hundreds of dollars for them. Matter in fact, let me show you my Fiverr account right here. This is right now. I'm live on Fiverr as this launch here is happening, and you can see here what people are charging for whiteboard videos, right? So here I entered whiteboard animation explainer video into Fiverr, and then if you scroll through the list here, it's pretty incredible. You can see here this person charging $4,000, this person $1,000, $650, $1,950, $1,000, and what they do is they create simple whiteboard explainer videos, okay? And here's another example of someone that I clicked on. You can see charging $1,000. Here's another example of someone charging $3,700. So you can sell the videos that you're getting today in this package on Fiverr and charge between $100 and $3,700 for each video. You can easily customize them, okay? Now, if I go to the sales page right here, this is the sales page that you're looking at right now. If you click on this button right here, it's going to take you over to the demo, okay? If I click on this, it's going to take me over where you can demo it, and you can see the different niches here, right? We have dentist, we have pediatrician, dermatologist, electrician, plumber, roofer, bankruptcy lawyer, injury lawyer, and so forth, right? Senior care. But here's the cool thing. If I click here on dentist, for example, we have for each niche 3 different types of videos that you can sell on Fiverr or other freelance sites, all to local businesses, right? We have the typical explainer video, we have a commercial video, and then we have a storytelling type video. All of them are explainer videos. They're animated, they have a voiceover included, and they would cost you thousands of dollars if you wanted to do them by yourself, okay? Now with this package right here today, during this launch special, we're going to give you 60 of them, 60, okay, for all these different niches. And again, you could literally just grab it, download it, and head straight to Fiverr and sell them there straight up, okay? You could do that all in your local area. You can do it as well. Or if you sell the web agency Fortune package to your prospects and clients, you can now upsell them also on explainer videos, right? So that they can have a really cool professional website, but also with the explainer video, helping them to generate more leads and helping them to attract more customers as well. And this is the sales page right here. You can read through this. We have a demo here. I showed you how much people are charging on Fiverr, for example. And you can then grab this here at a special deal. It might even be less expensive than what you see right here. I mean, we're going to make sure that this is an incredible deal that you get access to, and where you can get 60 videos. Now, this is a launch special to celebrate web agency Fortune. And you can, again, scroll through the page right here, so that you can see everything that you're getting. So you can see here, this is going to help you to grab the attention. It's going to help you to tell a captivating story. It's going to help that business with branding for you as an agency. It's going to help you to obviously make those sales. And then you can see here that we have 20 different niches that we provide you with. We have 3 different types of videos for each of the niches. So those are 3 different types for you to monetize each niche. And it comes down to 60 done for you world-class videos. And then we also have a Square version included and a total of 180 video files that you can download immediately, okay? So this is, I think, a great deal. You're of course covered by our money back guarantee. It's only going to be at such a low price during this launch special to celebrate our launch right now. And if you're a video marketer, local marketer, agency, or an online marketer, and you want to sell a cool service or upsell a cool service to your local businesses and clients, or even to influencers, I think this is a great package. And I think I've shown you, I've proven to you the income opportunity if you just download our package, head straight to Fiverr, and sell these videos for hundreds and hundreds of dollars, okay? I hope that makes sense. I can't wait to see you inside the members area. I think you're really going to love this package. Thank you so much for your time. Can't wait to see you inside, okay? Talk soon.